Cleaning baby's tongue, when and how? In this video, we will discuss. Many new parents struggle with one question: should you clean a baby's tongue, and how do you even do it when they cry? Though it may seem challenging, keeping your baby's mouth clean is essential for long-term dental health. Why clean the tongue? 1. The tongue collects milk residue and bacteria, creating a white coating if left uncleaned. 2. Regular cleaning lowers the risk of thrush, a common fungal infection in babies. 3. Cleaning removes odor, causing bacteria, and keeps breath fresh. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby care related videos. Please continue watching. When to clean your baby's tongue. The best time is preferably after feeding, once a day, when residue is most likely to build up. How to clean baby's tongue. Before you begin, always wash your hands thoroughly. Then prepare a clean gauze, a finger cloth, or a soft baby tongue cleaner. 1. Cradle your baby in one arm so they feel secure, leaving your other hand free for cleaning. 2. Moisten the gauze with warm water, wrap it around your finger, and gently open your baby's mouth. 3. Use a soft circular motion to clean the tongue. Be patient and keep movements light. 4. After cleaning, gently massage the gums and, if present, any teeth. Home remedies to clean your baby's tongue. 1. Soft cloth massage. A soft, damp cloth can gently massage the tongue and improve circulation. 2. Silicone finger brush. Silicone finger toothbrushes are designed for babies and provide controlled, gentle cleaning. 3. Natural glycerin gel. A small amount of natural glycerin gel on a cloth can help reduce bacteria and residue. 4. Breast milk. A drop of breast milk has natural antibacterial properties and can aid in keeping the mouth clean. It's never too early to care for your baby's mouth. A little effort each day builds a healthy foundation and keeps that smile bright for years to come.